inside my chest, but I don't know its name. It comes and goes through a door I've never seen. If I could catch it just one time, maybe I'd be free. If I could hold it just one time, maybe I'd believe. How does it fly? How does it leave? Through a cage with no lock, no key. I trade my soul to touch its wing. This bird I cannot see. How does it fly? How does it leave? This bird I cannot name. 8 locked doors and thorn-lined walls, still it sings where silence falls. Above it all, there's one more room where light forgets to bloom. How does it rise through so much pain, from rusted bars and pouring rain? It leaves me here, it leaves no sound, but I still call its name. How does it rise through all this pain? The bird I cannot tame. Maybe it's fate, maybe it's loss, maybe my heart was never the cost. If love was luck and not design, why does it harm what once was mine? It slips through cracks no eyes can trace. It knows the wind, it knows no place. It left the cage I called my chest and vanished into grace. How does it go without a trace? That bird I couldn't chase. You stayed with the cage, but the flute was made of green bamboo. One day it'll break, and the silence will tell you what flew. How does it know the time to go, when to stay and when to show? I watched it leave through skies unnamed, and now I'll never know. Where does it go?